Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So here we are in major uptrend, but market is ranging. So yes, I place my trade put option here because I know this candle, the way this candle is moving up and down, it will be red candle because of the ranging market. And here this candle is at reversal area, so I know definitely this candle must be red candle. That's why I place my trade put option. So let's see, we have 19 seconds. This candle must close at least, yes, here it will close here. So that's why I place my trade put option. So you see, strong candle. So let me explain why I took this trade. First of all, what I see here, you can see the market is looking like bad market. So in this situation, you should trade here at this level only, or at this area only. So here you can see sellers area, strong sellers. You see buyers, you see strong sellers, then buyers, strong sellers, then buyers. So you should expect strong sellers. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. And this candle, you can see it's not breaking the higher high of this candle, and it closed almost at this level, this doji level, doji SNR. So that's why I place my trade put option. So let's check another market, but it's evening now, market is not nice, so all the market are ranging. So you have to trade with, you have to be smart to trade, otherwise you will lose, because the market is ranging, it's evening time. So let's check and analyze another market. Here is also ranging, but here is red green, red, sorry, green red, green red. So next candle will be green. Yes, next candle must be green, green candle. So let's wait to see what will happen. I'm waiting for the next candle. I know definitely, sorry. So this one is already, it is already green, but if it is red, the next candle should be green. But still I will go with buyers at this level, because of this is the reversal area here and here. So this hammer is continuation. So I know definitely this candle will close above my entry point. See, strong buyers entry, because anytime you see rejection from this lower Bollinger, 2 deviation or 1 deviation, so the next candle will be green, lower Bollinger. You see here is rejection from the upper. So let's analyze again, or let me explain. Here you can see ranging market. You see rejection, rejection, rejection. I was expecting this candle to be red, then the next candle will be green, but still this candle is green, but it's reversal pattern or continuation of this reversal. So I know the next candle must be green because it is in the reversal area here. It is in the lower 2 dB and 1 dB. So this is the reversal area. So that's why I place my trade call option. So let's see, maybe the next candle will get opportunity on the next candle. Yes, I place my trade put option here because of the movement of this candle, and this is the reversal area. I know this candle must be red, definitely. So that's why I place my trade put option here. You see strong sellers entry at this level. You see. So anytime you see this type of market, you have to be careful. You trade on the edges of Bollinger. Don't trade anyhow. Try to get opportunity at this level or here. You will get nice trades here. Trade here only. Don't trade at this area. You see this area is consolidation area. Anytime market consolidates at this area, so anytime just trade here and here. Don't trade anywhere. So don't trade at any level, only here and here. So that's why I place my trade. You see strong sellers entry. So let's analyze. I decided to take 5 trades. Maybe I can get another chance. So let me see. Here is another ranging market. Yes, it's ranging market here as well, but sellers momentum. So sellers momentum here. Here this is not reversal area. Maybe it's continuation. Market will not reverse. Market may reverse at this level because of this. Yes, here I can see market will reverse at this level because this level, let me explain. Here what you can see at this level, even though we have sellers momentum, this is spinning top candle, and you see strong bias at this entry, then green candle. You see strong bias entry, then green candle. Here you see strong bias entry. You should expect green candle because this is spinning top. It's reversal candle, and this ranging market, you see it just touched this lower Bollinger Band and rejects. So that's why I place my trade call option here. I know definitely it will be green candle at this level. You see this is winning trade. So let's analyze another market. I wanted to take 5 trades today, even though it is evening, the market is bad, so I'm trading with careful. Yes, here I can see momentum, but this is the reversal area. Market is trying to create double bottom, but the trend is pretty strong. You see here is too strong. See 200 EMA, see 150, but see 20. So it's better to follow the trend. we should not go against the trend. And you see Bollinger breakout here, Bollinger pointing down. This one also is pointing down, 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 down. Everything is down. So let's see here, but the market is not nice. It's holding at this level. It's trying to create double bottom, but it couldn't. You see this level here, multiple touch, 1 2 3 4 5 6 touches. So we should expect breakout. But the candle is too huge. This huge candle, the breakout candle is strong. Maybe we should expect buyers entry after this strong candle. Sorry, the candle is too strong, but here is momentum. It's too strong, but you see strong sellers entry. Let's wait and see for the next candle. Yes, because of this momentum, but here is reversal area. This market is rejecting. You see, maybe buyers will enter because of the breakout of this consolidation area. You see buyers entry. Not what I was expecting, but I see no rejection at this candle. That's why I didn't place my trade call option. But the network is not nice. You see, the next candle has entered, but still it's not showing. Network is bad, disconnecting. You see, so now it shows. So I cannot take trade now. I don't know what was happened because of the network. But here maybe we'll go with the sellers, but this trend is too strong. It may reverse at this level. You see trend. I don't think it will be continue here because these sellers are weak. Yes, strong sellers entry. Yes, continue. This is not nice. Let's change. I didn't see any opportunity. I don't want to lose, so I have to be careful. Here is consolidation area, and the next candle may be ranging market consolidation area. I don't think this level will be broken now because of the consolidation area here. Market is consolidating at this level, gap up. I can see rejection. Yes, I see rejection. I place my trade call option. I know this level will not be broken now. This candle will be green because of this pattern. You see green, you see red, you see green, you see red, then you should expect green or weak candle because this level is strong. So that's why I place my trade call option. I know definitely it will not break this level now. This level is not ready to be broken. it may be weak candle or green candle. So let's see. We have 5 seconds now. You see it's weak candle because of this level, so now it's broken. So this is the end of this video. I took total 5 trades, all are winning trade. You see this is the first trade here. This first trade I took here put option because of this Bollinger. The next trade here call option because of this Bollinger range market. Another put option because of the Bollinger range market. Here call option because of the Bollinger rejection. You see all are range market. Here as well call option because of this range market and Bollinger. We are in the reversal area, but this is weak sellers. That's why I place my trades call option. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, comment, share.